What up, what up, what up, YouTube? What's going on? What up, what up, what up? What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to the good morning. What's good, everybody?
Added you, Jdun.
Let's get it. What is going on, everybody? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. What's good? What is good, everybody? All right, there we go. Boom. Let's get it, y'all. We got 3 minutes. Was running a tad bit behind this morning. Had some things to do, but we're back in action.
With Zoom quit updating. Cannot find the unmute.
Yeah, it changes spots sometimes. Sometimes it's in the very bottom right, and you have to like click out the menu bar.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's odd. What's up, bro? How's your morning been?
Doing good. Hit some legs.
Good.
Win a trade.
We need a winning trade like yesterday. That trade was nice yesterday. That was dope.
Yeah, we need one like that.
Need to run that back again, baby. Run it back, run it back. Good morning, everybody. Let's get some energy flowing in here. We got market open in 2 minutes. So y'all know what time it is. We got about 2 minutes till open. I want y'all to get that blood flowing. Get the energy going. Need y'all to drop down and give me at least 10 push-ups. You want to change your state, you need to change your state, which means you want to change your psychology, you change your biology. Drop down and give me 10, baby. Drop down and give me 10. You ready? Or jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are fun too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fuck it, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quick 20 piece. Quick 20 piece to start the day, baby. Quick 20 piece. And we are in the Nebraska jersey, baby. It's Nebraska game day. It's Nebraska game day. Yeah. Yeah?
I don't know why. I just thought it was bad.
You want to unlock the door for Gene, too.
was hoping everyone could do the sell off. That was a short intro.
What are you gonna watch for the day?
Well, for shorts at 24,200 area, but really ripping down. A lot of weakness. And, trending down all pre-market basically. No time frames. You know, trade to be counter trend.
Oh, what's up, Gene? Thank you, bro. Should have held that trade from Asia yesterday.
I know.
What happened to that?
I don't know.
Gene said I spooked him out of his trade. I made him doubt himself.
Made him doubt his ability.
Yeah. No, he did what you used to do to me, Grizzly.
What's that?
I was joking with him. I was like, he's in shorts. I was like, uh-oh. News coming in. About to rip. So funny. Bro, you spooked me. All right.
What time's the game today?
5:30 Mountain, 7:30 your time. Well, I need you to stay up. I need you to rally, bro. We need your support. We need your support, my guy.
Watching. Any early games on today?
Nope. No early games. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you guys joining us for live trading this morning. As a reminder, choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and stay forward-looking on the mission, baby. Discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine. Today, you say no to overtrading. You say no to revenge trading. You say no to tilt trading. You say yes to systematic, focused, process-based trading. If you can do that, you're going to take one step forward towards profitability. What up, Mr. Gene? You coming over tonight? Please? To watch,
Don't cry. No llores.
to watch the Nebraska game?
No llores.
I was already begging Gene to come over and watch the game with me. So please. Please. No. If you even think about wearing yellow to my house, you're banned from everything. It's Nebraska game day, baby. That's what it is. Let's go. Monday's low. It certainly could see that that pre-market low. I'd love that. I'd love to see that. We'll see what they give us today. Teach me to be a millionaire, and I will go with you to every game. Well, the game that I'm quote unquote going to is at my house on the TV. After 6 months of applying DOD, I finally got approved for my first payout. Let's go, Mile High Barber. So gangster. That's awesome, bro.
I'll watch the Nebraska game with you if you watch the Astros game with me today. They play at 2.
What?
I said I'll watch the Husker game with you if you watch the Astro game with me.
A baseball game? No.
They play at 2.
I'll watch the playoffs with you.
Wow. You know how far that is?
Yep.
Football's going to be on already. I'm not going to care about baseball.
Jdun, I forgot to put in your code for my 50K trade of 8. Had to pay full price. Message their support. They should credit you. It might take a day or something, but you can message them and tell them that. Explain it. Oh, come on. We're way below VWAP, way below pre-market high. Here we go, bro. DOD made me level up every part of my life. That's the wave. Love, dog. Piece of me, piece of my. It'll be interesting to see if we get some support down near 24,000. Oops. Hello, mentor. Hello, mentee. I call it all my trades. Yep. What workout split am I running? I run workout 5 days a week aggressively. I mean, I sweat every day, but I lift weights 5 days a week. A manatee? A mentee? Yeah, I called someone a manatee. I actually like manatees a lot. Ultimate chill sea animal. All right, let's see what we get as we get closer to 24,000. As we get closer to 24,000, let's see what we get. Well, thank you, bro.
Very good movie.
Thank you, Gene Senior. Yeah, you are. gonna be.
No.
As a reminder, TikTok, if you want to join me live on YouTube, the tube, you get full screen share. I appreciate each and every one of you guys showing up every day. I do my best to help you learn how to profitably trade, how to keep the money you make, and to build a consistent, profitable system. I appreciate each and every one of y'all joining me.
Everyone hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
For sure, it's up around that 100 to 122. About 4 minutes. What time to the data this morning or news? You told me earlier, I forgot already.
Let's go check our handy dandy news channel. I don't see anything.
I'm gonna try some shorts here, everyone. Up around 100 there. We have a little room to add. I'll add more around 122. Taking some M&Q shorts here. First add was in the 90s. I'll add more up around 122. Trying to go with this trend here, pre-market. If we break above this 15-minute range high, the trend will be broke. Lower time frame at least. It will be invalid. All right, right here in this area, so we can start.
Tried some shorts up there, Grizzly?
Yeah, I'm gonna try something. I don't want to miss this trend. I'm okay taking a loss here if it doesn't play out. I'd hate to miss it. This monthly, this pre-market will trend down clearly.
I don't think it's a bad take. A little early for me, but
It is a little early for us. True.
I think that you could kill it, and I hope you do. I hope it just flushes low a day.
It just bounces pre-market straight up and make a new high today. We'll see. Let's it's gonna rip straight up and hit my stop. I'm still in. I'm gonna add. Let's see where we close. If we close above point of control, I will stop out of here. Point of control is at 24,122.75.
I want to see more of y'all from the TikTok. Come on over to the YouTube too. Jdun Trades. Come tap in, baby. I also want to see them like numbers up on. If you're on the TikTok, appreciate y'all being here, getting that blood moving, tapping your screen over and over. Same deal with YouTube. If you're here, I appreciate y'all hitting that like button. And come on, smash that like button. There's over 800 of y'all here, and we're at 100 likes. Let's pump those numbers up, baby. Watch it do the bullshit, bro. It's gonna go up and sweep and go down.
Ridiculous bounce on pre-market low.
I actually thought that looked like a good setup too. Just a tad bit early for me.
I didn't add a second piece to it. Still like shorts. I mean, the previous candle had good volume, but I don't see, unless we break this and hold above 60.
I will also watch today. I'll move to pre-market high and failure. I'll watch this reject up here. 246. 288. I like that 280 to 300 area for reject too. Just gonna stay patient and wait, everybody. And trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and look for a nice systematic winning trade. We'll see if the orb plays out. I'll be watching. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What do you guys think? Which way do you think y'all think the market goes today? Which way do y'all think? Up or down? Wait, is this move to the upside bogus? What do y'all think? I just put a poll up on YouTube. I put 3 options up there for you. Jdun, you caught an absolute banger yesterday. That was a nice trade. Maybe we'll start doing something where if you guys get a certain number of likes, I'll give away an account. If you guys get to 500 likes today, I'll give away 2 Apex accounts. If y'all can get this to 500 likes on the stream, we'll give away 2 Apex accounts to stream today. We did do our 10 push-ups. That's right. Did 20 actually. I did 10. I started with 10. I said, nope. Give me 10 more.
Jdun,
What up?
there was a Iran tweet. It was a good response on the plan. 941.
It'd be like that, huh?
Yeah, man, we got a tough one.
This is a tough candle, though. Do anything with either. We closed above the 15-minute high, but it's also a majority of wick. The downside. Smart is not gonna fool me today. No way, no how.
Trump's supposed to speak at 10.
All right, everybody. I don't know if Trump's supposed to speak. What I do know is that my dogs are freaking out. Gene's tripping them out. Oh. I thought you were walking over there. They're tripping out. As a reminder, if you guys want to trade with me today, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, you can get an Apex account for 85% off. The 50K end of day drawdown Trade Evade account is only $37 with code Jdun.
We were so close to getting out of that range.
It's the same prop firm I got a $50,000 payout from. I appreciate y'all supporting. As always, when you use code JDON, I want you to remember DOD for yourself. I want you to remember to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD. You can also get funded with Alpha Futures, with Tradeify, FFF, or with Vanquish if you trade options. We're getting close to that 200 Grizzly up at VWAP. I know. I think I want to see pre-market high reject. I'm willing to try that up here, pre-market high. I am willing to try it. On the bright side, at least your stop loss worked out.
Yeah, pushed up further than I wanted to. I was just going to stop out above point of control, but ripped up to 15-minute range high.
Yeah, but on the flip side, if you would have held it.
I gave back my profits from yesterday.
I think it could go up to pre-market high and reject. I'm going to watch that for sure. I'm going to watch this pre-market high up here for a reject, everybody. 280 to 300. Your stop loss worked out. What kind of backhanded compliment is that? It's not a backhanded compliment. Dumb. I say that all the time about my trades. If I stop out and it goes 30, 40, 50 points past it, I'm like, oh, thank God I had a stop loss. Otherwise, you'd be down significantly more. I think it's a win when you have a stop loss that saves you from a bigger loss. But a lot of unprofitable traders. Yep. I think that's a huge win. I always say that about my trades. If I stop, I'm like, oh, well, thank God my stop was there versus 30 or 40 or 50 points higher. You know? A lot of traders are just running no stops. Bro, we got so close to getting out of the range. Then demand said nope.
So close.
So close.
I think you had no demand down there. I would personally use.
I'm going to watch this pre-market high for a reject, everybody. This 288, like 300 area. Probably like a 40-point stop. We also have yesterday's low right there as well. I could get cooked, but I am going to try it.
Yeah. That was what you call a lead demand zone.
Come on, don't reject there. 50 more points to 280, 300 area. No, 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 no. No going down first. We can go up. I'm going to watch this area up here for market high for reject. I'm looking to short this supply area up here. Q level up here, 300 area. No mames, market. If we had higher volume on this candle, I'd honestly say between this move up and the potential like 2-bar with VL up there, it actually wouldn't be half bad to try to take a long up to pre-market high. But we don't have the volume I'd like to see, so I'm not taking it. I want to see move to pre-market high area to short. That's my main watch right now. 300 area. This market has very much so been moving from demand, having strong bounces off demand and then strong rejects off supply. What do y'all think? Are they going to front run us again? Doesn't have to be like this, Nasdaqita. It doesn't have to be like this, baby. Doesn't have to be like this. I think it might be, though. I hope it's not. I think there's a good chance that they will play some games with us, though. Oh, wow. We were literally not that close, but semi-close to 280. About 50 points. Wow. It's going to do the same thing it did to me on like Monday to you, Grizzly. Gonna rip.
That's what I should have done if we didn't have a tweet. We got in the trade.
Yep.
Asian low.
A 15-minute volume is going to be high, too.
Look at this volume on this candle coming in.
Jeez Louise.
Dangerous candles here.
This is a dangerous candle. That is on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. If you look at the 15-minute on screen share, we aggressive volume, strong body up, and on the 5-minute, both timeframes closed above VWAP. It's tough to short if we get up there. I'm still not opposed to it, but
I want to see the delta on that previous candle.
where do you check delta on Grizzology?
I check it on actual trading view chart. Go to
Oh.
where your candlesticks tricks are, if you have like the pro package with trading view, you can see volume
Well,
footprint.
I'll pull it up later.
That big red candle, the previous one only had positive 92 delta. So basically, just a little green. The red candle.
What time frame do you look at your volume footprints on?
5.
5 minute.
Just zoom in so you can see the delta. Really zoom in on the candlestick.
Order flow, order flow. They call me Jdun never trades. Yeah. Something like that. Well, we're definitely winning today because we have a Nebraska jersey on, and we both know how that game is going tonight. Gene, where's your Nebraska shirt? Order filled. Grizzly, you trading? Yeah, you guys are like, oh, you always say if you have important events going on, not to trade. Well, Nebraska game's on. I guess I shouldn't trade them. If Nebraska loses, I quit trading forever. I'm retiring. I'm going to cry for a very long time. Not gonna happen. Order filled. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. In a normal market, I actually don't think that longs look horrible right here. Looks like it might do just that. We'll see. Made and broken by you. There she goes. I thought there was a good chance that happens. Let's see what they give us in this next candle. Still watching that pre-market high. I still like this area for reject up here. I still like that area up there. Okay. D to the O to the O to the D. Huh. I was really hoping we get a little higher. Got a crazy idea. 206, 240. We could watch for I'd move up to like VWAP.
Shorts?
Yeah, 205 to 210 with stops at like high a day. I don't hate that idea.
Yeah, the previous candle went back down quick.
The risk you entail with that is that this ends up being a higher low. We hold here and move up, but there's also a very good possibility. This was our slight move up. We reject in here and then move down.
And do something. Stuff like push down on one candle to low a day or something here.
Yeah, I'm not super in love with what we're seeing, but we'll watch to see how we look as we move up here. I'd rather see downside too.
I think shorts, I was hesitant to take it after that first trade, you know. We swept Asia low. We tested from underneath. And we swept with that previous candle. That's a legit short entry, but this market's being weird.
We just touched up here at like 204. I want to see us come more into this 50% retracement. In any case, if we are to take shorts up here, we'd have to have stops at like 250. I'll let you guys know if I try it. Tried a piece of shorts up here. Tried the shorts. Try the small size of shorts up here. With a hard stop at 50. That or if we close above VWAP strong. If we close above these levels here in the 5 minute early, I'll stop out. Oh my gosh, don't do it early. Don't do it like that. I'm not gonna add. I did try it, and I have stops above that previous 5 minute candle up at 50. 250 to the T. Yeah, I have about $1,000 of risk. So my ideal entry, if you want a little less risky entry, I like this 300 area still for reject up here. I'm willing to try it down here in case this is our lower high. But if you guys want a better, I guess a little less risk entry of how the market's been, then just wait till like 300. I tried the shorts though. So you guys know. If we close this 5 minute strong above VWAP, I'll stop it early.
Right now it's a 15-minute range high.
That'd be great. I'm not sure it's going to happen, but if I didn't try it on this move up and we end up getting a trend entry or a reversal, excuse me, not trend, pre-market trend, very valid, I'd be bummed. My main setup for this morning is a reject of this pre-market high, but I did try it down here for shorts. In case you missed it the first or second or third or fourth or fifth time. And I have a hard stop at 250. I should be in jorts. In jorts trading shorts. I don't like that we're holding above this 200. Come on. Well, at least we didn't get stopped out right away. Even if it goes against me, it's trying. A for effort. Nazdaquita. Let's see. We'll see more. I want to see down to like below 168. Come on. Come on. That candle looks decent. Come on. I'm going to move my stop loss down. It still will be red, but to like 233. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna trim a little down here early. I don't love the risk reward or the R multiple on it, but I don't like how this market's been moving, so I de-risked a little down there. My stops are at 233. Everybody, I just don't have the best feeling about this setup quite yet, so I took a little off down there. I don't like how we're still holding this higher low. So stops are at 233. Holding the rest. Either I'll stop out. I'll still be slightly red on the trade if I do get stopped. But I'm happy with how do we manage that, or we get below like 168. Actually, I'm going to move it up to 242. There we go. Well, my stops are at that previous candle high, that high a day, 242. I changed my mind. So if we went up and wicked above this but below this, I'd be salty, more so than losing an extra 10 points. I don't like how we're holding this. That's why I de-risked a little down here. Is we're holding this low, or this 180 pretty strong. So if we hit high a day, I'll be out for a loss. I de-risked a little down in the 180s, but I'll still be red on the trade. So you guys know.
Trying to stop you out on low volume.
Yep. So I moved my stops up to 242. I was like, if we go high a day, I'll stop out. If we go just above high a day, I'll stop out. 242.75. I still like that pre-market high reject. I still like that area. Come on. We got the initial push down, so I mean, at least it tried if it doesn't work out, but it's not looking super great for what I typically like to see for reversal. It's not dead in the water yet. I certainly don't want to see this close above this VWAP. Come on. I need to channel my inner Nebraska. Hit it from deep. Jay White, I got to know if he fed the deer this morning. Yep, with that 50K trade away from Apex, baby. With that 50K payout from Apex. So how about the deer food? Again, we're just at or below break even if you don't like this trade. I'm holding till my stop loss or till my profit target. So you guys know. So if I sold early or cut it and then we dumped, I'd be very sad. Right now, it looks like, based on how this market's going, I don't like how we have this move up. We're kind of coiling here. There's a good chance we rip to the upside. but I'm going to keep my original plan in place. If you don't like this trade, you have a chance right now to get out slightly green. Take anything this morning, Gene?
It's not emails.
Nice. Yeah, we do have an ascending triangle. That's kind of what I don't love seeing. We had those initial move up, and then we're kind of coiling. There's a good chance that we move to the upside, but got minimal risk on here. So I'll still be slightly red if it loses, but I got that nice, I don't want to call it a trim, but de-risked in profit. So we're at below half size risk. And if I didn't follow my plan, if I sold early just because I didn't like what I saw and then we dumped, I'd be very sad. I'd rather get stopped out and be slightly red to start the day. So I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I don't love what I'm seeing here with the series of higher lows. So I'm just yapping. Maybe I should just sell it so you get a JSI, Jdun sell indicator. This time. Come on. Do it for the squad. Do it for the squad, baby. Come on. Come on. Do it for the squadron. Come on. Come on. Dump it. Come on. Come on, baby. Do it for Papa. Come on, baby. All right, I'm taking off a little more down here, and I'm putting my stops at 215. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade, guys. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade.
Nice trade, man.
We'll see. It has potential.
Well, it has a lot of potential. Definitely worth leaving some money.
It's because Nebraska's winning today, baby. All we see is red. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade, guys. I don't like that volume on that previous candle. Come on, now dump this downside. Dump this 170. Lower high here, dump the 170. Lower high here, dump the 170. Nazdaquita, I need you to get angry. I need you to throw an angry fiesta and go straight to the downside. Angry party. Come on.
On the way.
No, not upside. We're yoga class. Downward dog. Downward dog. Pero boca abajo. Pero boca abajo. Pero boca abajo. Downward dog. Come on. Oh, my mask is downstairs. I was playing with it with my kid. We were playing with the bear mask yesterday. Hey, we're guaranteed a green trade, though. I'd like to see lower. My hard stops are at 216. Shouldn't be a red trade for anybody. $30, $40, $50 points, depending on your entry. And I'd like to see more. I'd like to see a reversal down to like that 15-minute high. That's my main price target, is 150s. Come on. Come on. Rapido to the downside. Rapido to the downside. Come on. Come on. No, no, no. Pero boca abajo. Downwards dog. Come on. Come on. Crack the bid and let it go. NASDAQ, if you don't crack the bid, I'm going to. Come on. That's a tough candle. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I'm happy though. Green trade regardless. I got a piss. I'll be right back. Gene, you want to come say hi? Hopefully now that I'm leaving. It'll go no trim set. No trim set. Let it rip. If it rips without me, I'm going to be furious.
Hello, my friends. I've been scalping Nasdaqita Evil. We want it.
What?
We want it.
We want it. Come on. Come on. Husker. Power. Husker. Power. Come on, let's let it die. Oh, no. 17. Again, if you guys haven't taken any partials off, this is a good spot that I would look to do so. Yep. No reason this trade should go red for anybody. Let's go. Another green day. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yep, like 50 plus points. I think you're capping about 20K, but I'm glad that I made you money on your first day. Welcome to the team. If you guys want to take my trades every day, learn from me and learn the DOD system, make sure y'all hit that follow button in the top left corner, or if you're on YouTube, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Stops are at break even, everybody. Either it goes to gulag or break even on the rest. We got that main price target of like a pre-market or a 15-minute high. So happy with that. That's cool. Come on. If we don't get stopped out, I swear I will hold this all day. Or at least a low a day. A pre-market low. Glad we caught ourselves a nice trade today. I told y'all it's Nebraska game day. We're catching a winner. There's just no ifs, no buts, no coconuts. No ifs, no buts, no coconuts. Oh, out of this trade, guys.
Whoa.
Out of this trade. Out of this trade. I swear if it just wicks up and hits my stop and then dies. I'm gonna be so salty. That's news. That's for sure Trump speaking right there. That's for sure news right there. That volume push for sure. That is for sure Donnie manipulating the market. Come on, Donnie. What are you doing? Ain't no way, bro.
That was a dirty candle. What's up with that? Trump says, I'm grabbing Jdun stop loss. And I'm going to send that down.
Wow. Still a nice trade. Still over a Racco on the day, but damn, Donnie, that's dirty.
Dirty. No doubt.
No doubt, dirty. Dirty Don.
You did blew $1,200 off the first tweet.
Damn. That was still a great trade, guys. Great trade. Like, depending on your entry, 40, 50, 60 points. All right, guys. I got to know if you guys took that trade with me. Type how much you made. 40, 50, 60 points depending on entry. Let's get some good vibes flowing. Good vibe tribe only. If you guys took that trade, even if it's a base hit, $100. Talk to me, DOD money team. If you took that trade, you should be green with me. Talk to me, baby. How much y'all make with me? 800, 500, 130, 200, 447, 743, 300. That's awesome. 69, 220, 60, 400, 50. I love the base hits. 200, 300, $2. You know what? Green's green. 220, 3570, 190, 50. Let's go. I love the base hits. You guys say you made $50. I'm like, that's awesome. If you average $50 a day on a live account, just average, talking about average, obviously there's going to be losses. That's an extra 12 grand a year. Who here is going to complain about 12 grand a year? Who else? Who's going to say no to an extra 12 G's a year? I don't know anyone.
I don't know how to navigate this market better. We just need Trump's golf schedule.
You said we need Trump's golf schedule. You actually might be onto something there, bro.
That's what Champ was telling me.
Bro. This is the move I wanted to see. I wanted to see us go to low a day. I don't hate the idea of a retest back up to this like 175 to 200 for shorts, but you got to be prepared for us to do some BS and rip to high a day. I'm just letting y'all know right now. You got to be prepared for the bullshit in this market. Excuse my language. If we don't get stopped out to hold the low, literally, I would have held this to low day too. But there's no world where I would have just not had my stops where they were. That's just straight manipulation, some news manipulation, you know? It's like you can't do anything about that. It's easy to say, oh, I wish I would have just not had a stop loss, or I wish I would have had a high a day. But then if we would have ripped up off news, you would have been saying, wow, thank God I had my stop loss where I did near break even, at break even, you know? So hindsight's always 20/20. My job is to help you guys get funded, get paid out, and build your 2026 to be a green profitable year. That's my goal for y'all. That's what I do to help y'all. That's what DOD is going to do to help y'all. I don't even want to ask if any of you D-gens are still in the trade, because I know some of y'all still are. Some of y'all just don't be listening to me. So I'm not even going to ask. I know there's someone out there. I never moved my stop, Jdun. I said, screw it. Wow. This would have been an absolute heat-seeking missile of a hold.
What? What's going on?
I'm just salty that they wicked me out there. Would have been mega trade. Literally would have held to mega trade plus. Bro trades the chop and misses the move. You are literally is just clearly haven't been here for the whole stream. Clearly you need to listen, my friend. I will pray for you. May God bless you in your ears.
Market is waiting on Trump to start speaking to sell off.
We caught a killer trade. We caught a killer trade. And all I ask, I do this for free for y'all every single day on these free live streams. All I ask is you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, and use code JDUN when you're getting your funding. Real ones use code JDUN. Alpha Futures, Apex, Tradeify, and FFF. We took shorts. We took shorts today.
No, that's when I started selling off. Start, man. See the candlestick? Backward. Operative. Increments.
I still think we want to go to pre-market low. I'm happy with today's trade, though. That was fine. I check YouTube chat. I just ultimately all my notifications, my first priority goes to the Team Bull private community. Then I check the free chats as well, but I do this as a courtesy to help you guys. And all I ask for in return is you guys tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like on YouTube. And also use code JDUN. If you're trading with Apex, you can get a 50K Tradeabate end-of-day drawdown account for only $37 using code JDUN. I want you guys all to go become a liability for these prop firms. I do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. Take me away. You take that trade with me earlier, Grizzly?
I didn't take it, man. Not because it wasn't legit. I just was seeing if the market was going to respect technicals after my first one.
Got one more setup. If we pop up to here, you can watch for a short entry. Just beware, market might be on some bullshit. Also, one of the few that shows wins and losses live on stream, no cherry-picked replays. Thank you, Tyler. I appreciate you, bro. I tell people all the time, I'm like, dude, come watch me every day. I call every trade live. You can be the judge for yourself. There's a reason why more and more people that trade the DOD system and rock with me every day are getting payouts. Trading with discipline, trading smart, trading safe, staying focused. I think we want to go low day, pre-market low. I really do. I still think it's valid to look for a short entry if we pop up here with stops above these highs. We caught one really nice reversal trade. Telling you guys, that's been the market. That's why I was looking for that reversal trade up there. We haven't been having a lot of really good middle of the range trend entries, so I'm looking for bounces and reversals. That's just what's been working. So I'm going to trade what works. Again, I'm adaptable, guys. My ego steps aside, but I like to trade cool. It doesn't matter. I trade what's working. I trade what's going to make me money. This is my job. I do this to make money. So if something I'm doing is not making money, I'm going to adapt. I'm constantly going to be a student of the game. That's what you have to do. Non-negotiable. Wow. I think today could be the day we break this range. I think there's a very good possibility. Attaboy, Nigel. Attaboy. Jeez Louise.
Lower day, then some.
Wow. 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 That's exactly what I wanted to see, but I swear I would have held that whole move. Would have been like a 3-4 Racco day. Jdun feeds the deer, takes 50K payouts on Apex, and teaches his sauce for free. Hit the follow. Damn right, baby. Let's go.
Have to get a high volume reversal candle here.
Probably, bro. Yep, 1 for 1 on the day.
Jdun, you still around?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm here.
You might have been muted. Didn't mean to be.
Pulled a grizzly. Demand's just going to demand here. If you guys got them, post your gains. I'll be giving away one. I'm gonna buy one of you guys an Apex Trader Funding account. If you guys post your gains, tag me with DOD in the post your gains section. Giving away one account today. It's happening before I get off stream. Look at this. Look at this candle, Grizzly. High volume reversal candle. Demand to be demanding. My shit doesn't look bad for a pullback to pre-market high or pre-market low with stops below low a day. My only fear would be what's it called? That we're so aggressively going down pre-market, but looks decent. Go to the post your gains and tag your boy. Give away one Apex account. If you made money with me, go tag me in your post your gains section. Give away one Apex account today to someone who does it. If you got them shorts with me, go post your gains, even if it's $50. Woo! Suns out, guns out! Oh. I've been putting on some size, Grizzly Glock. I'm telling you, getting them boulder shoulders and arms, baby! Mind you, I got a long wingspan. I got some long arms, so we're getting there. DOD every day. I don't just tell you discipline, I show you it. Something a lot of these gurus could never do. Could never do. Man, how we got 800 people in here still on YouTube and we got 300 likes? Come on now. If you guys got value from that trade I took, made money with me, tap in and hit that like button, guys. Come on. Hit that thumbs up button on the YouTube, baby. Come on now. Get them fingers moving. Get them mouses clicking, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. I know you got it in you. 450 times 2. Let's go, DOD. Let's go. Jdun is the only guru I trust. Your mentor's mentor. Let's go.
going to take us to pre-market high, Jdun?
We might. I don't know.
Things I'm going to need in two both, Jdun. One is Trump's golf schedule. Two, you've got something bringing in the tweets as soon as they happen.
We need Trump's golf schedule ASAP. I still think this like 150 area could be good for shorts, but knowing this market, we're going to demand down here and rip right back up. If you want to try to catch the trend, I still like this area. Just have wider stops above this high here. That was a horrible circle or oval.
Oval circle. There's too much risk looking at the chart. Anywhere I enter is going to be 50+ point risk.
Oh, baby. Have a safe, beautiful day. Have a good day. Trade well. I gotta say, Grizzly. Team Bull's been real good vibes lately. It's a pleasure trading with you.
Good, man.
Pleasure trading with everybody here. The best. I wonder what Jen's stream was today. Let's go find out.
But she's still going.
Hey!
Hello.
Oh, Jason's in here now too.
How do you guys do today in here?
No trade.
No trading.
I was freaking waiting for the short if we broke out of that consolidation back into the range and then stupid Trump started opening his mouth and talking about war. So
Yup.
I was like, I could take it, but I don't want to risk it. Because he would also be like, hey, I cured childhood cancer and the market could pump like
Yep. Well.
I heard you took a short.
Oh yeah, caught a nice short. I've been taking more.
Were you able to,
What?
Were you able to get it to the bottom of the range?
No,
before day?
No, so I took it above 200, around like 210, and then got like 50 points out of it, or almost 60 points. And then that one wick up at 8:40 our time stopped me out of my runners, and then it died.
That was Trump. He was like,
Yeah.
Jdun.
Yep, literally that. I was telling everyone, I was like, I'm gonna hold this to low a day. Like I will literally hold the rest of this until we get pre-market low. One stupid wick died.
He's seen you on Instagram saying that you don't support him anymore, and he's like, I'm gonna stop him out before I dump it.
Like I'm not a Republican or Democrat. I'm a DOD party. I'm America First Party. That's my party.
Party of DOD. I like it.
Like I hate all politics. They're all dirty.
Do you think it's safe to take a trade now that this other guy's talking? Is Trump done? Do you know?
When we call it a trade man.
Yeah, I would like the shorts, honestly, in this area if we didn't just have that big bounce from.
Hey, don't get it twisted. Just because I don't like Trump, I'm the farthest thing from a liberal, my guy. I'm just being 100 with you. I'm America First, baby. Have you seen my gun safe? Come on now. From Nebraska, bro. I don't like Republicans or Democrats. I'm America First. I'm Team Jesus. That's the team I am. Don't group me with Republicans or Democrats who all serve people who don't support my brothers and sisters of this country. I'm Team Jesus. Jesus is king. No ifs, no buts, no coconuts. End the story. Yup. Team Jesus. Yup. Facts. Amen, baby. Keep telling people that. I'm like, just because I don't like all of the things Trump's done does not mean I'm a liberal. I'm far from it. I'm Team Jesus. I'm Team DOD. I'm Team America First. I still think we can break this range down. I would have rather seen us go a little higher for that short entry. We're rejecting point of control right now.
All right, everyone. I'm going to take another trade today. Everyone's speaking.
Point of control. You not taking another trade today, Grizzly? You done?
No, that one trade was it. I've seen too much stuff go wrong. Peace. I'll see you all in the morning.
There's no question. That's just a mentorship question. I will answer anything you'd like. Point of control is part of the indicator that I use. Grizzology. It just maps out levels. It's not a buy sell indicator. It gives confirmations, but it's the highest volume point during the session. So a lot of times it'll act as support or resistance. Not always, but sometimes. The indicator is called Grizzology. It's made by one of our very own in Team Bull. If you'd like to use it yourself, I can post a link in YouTube. And you can use code Jdun for 50% off. It's called Grizzology. Got a few more minutes. I'm gonna stay on. I think we can still sell off today. I like the idea of that. Unless we get some sort of news. I for sure think that's a possibility. Oh no, I've just been reading. Damn, looks like we want to go lower. Drop a low, girl. Drop a low, girl. If you want the indicator, yes, you can get it on the YouTube chat. You can use code Jdun. 50% off. You can also use code Jdun on Apex, Alpha Futures, Tradeify, and the Funded Futures family. Real ones use code Jdun. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Let's go. Two bar? I guess we can see it's possible. It's for sure possible we get a 2 bar. I wouldn't put it past us. I wouldn't put it past us. And the winner of the Apex account will be Miss Jackie. Miss Jackie. Congratulations, Jackie. Good job to Jack. He always participating. Participate, get paid. Whoops. The winner of the account is Jackie from the Post Your Games. Congratulations, Miss Jackie. You've been messaged. Yeah, I think it's about time for me to mob out too. I got basketball to watch later. Jackie said, thank you so much. Been with you every day of 2026. Couldn't be more grateful. Let's go. Speaking of which, I am going to exercise my discipline and freedom of 2026 and mob out. Great day on the live. Great day on the fundeds. Caught one winner with everybody. Minimal drawdown. And hopefully you guys learned something. Made progress in your trading. Made progress in your discipline. I appreciate you guys all tuning in and trading with me live every single day. I want you guys to do something positive for yourselves today. And remember, go Big Red, baby! Nebraska basketball tonight. Tonight it's going down. So God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and I'll see you guys later, okay? Have a blessed, amazing day, and I'll see you guys either later for Power Hour or tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Make sure y'all hit that follow button if you're on TikTok so you don't miss the next live stream, you don't miss my next trade. Also, make sure you guys, if you're on YouTube, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Appreciate you guys using code Jdun with our partner firms, Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, and FFF. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless y'all. Peace.